See justice done. Somebody rubbed off my robin. Somebody shoot on him wrong. Sure. Well, I sneaked up behind him. I shot him. Right in the end of his song. Oh, what doing, boys? Oh. He was a wonderful age judge. Oh, he was so handsome, you know, and so young. Well, these boys look gilly to me, judgy, wudgy, pudgy. Somebody ought to be hung.
Somebody ought to be hung.
These birds look guilty, Judge. Don't stone. What do you say?
Hang them all! We're gonna hang them all. We're gonna hang them all. We don't know who is guilty, so we're gonna hang them all. We're gonna hang them all. gonna hang 'em all.
Stop!
Well, who are you?
Say, don't be stupid. I'm Dan Cupid. I shot Cock Robin, but Robin isn't dead. He fell for a little teddy bear and landed on his head.
Robin never dead, and they landed on his head.
Kiss me, tall, dark, and handsome.
Oh, Jenny.